Hey guys, it's me. I haven't spoken to you in what feels like ages. I'm really sorry about that, but I'm back. So here are some new clothes that I added to my wardrobe recently. I did a huge wardrobe clean out and I listed like hundreds of my items online that are for sale now. So I'll list that below if you want to shop my pre-loved clothing. So this outfit is not all new. The pants and the shoes are old. The jeans are Ksubi and it looks like I got them out of the wash too early because it looks like I pissed myself. This top is by Superdown. It's just a little ribbed number with the button detailing. I love ribbed clothes because the way it just goes over your curves is so flattering. And yeah, I don't know what was wrong. This video was filmed like right before we moved. I remember I had to put those plants in that chair there just so that it wouldn't look so bare. Anyway, so this dress is by With Jean and it's such a pretty little summer dress. I have it in lots of other prints and colors, but this one is my newest one and it's a really nice mint color, which I find really unique. I don't have anything like this in my wardrobe. It hugs your curves so well. It's so feminine. It's so like vintage looking and I feel like Apollonia in The Godfather wearing it. So this bodysuit is by Privacy Please. I love it because it kind of scoops down the side of your titties and it's really like flattering, and the back is so low. It wouldn't be possible to do that on a singlet unless it was a bodysuit. So love it. And these jeans are just loved ones that I've had for ages. No body denim fits really well, but I am really into like stiff denim, like the Ksubi ones that I was wearing just before this. I just can't find any denim jeans that hug my curves correctly that aren't really stretchy, so you know it's really annoying. But anyway, I love this top because it's blue. It goes really good with white. I love baby blue and I love white together, so yeah, really into that. This dress is by Privacy Please and it's a really nice chartreuse color. It's kind of annoying in that it buckles on the side, but I love the style and the way it shows off like that line that I have on my stomach, which I'm really proud of. So I really like it with the knot detailing and everything, kind of that Spanish style with the frills and whatnot. I just think that if I had a fake tan on, this would look really good. And yeah, I'm wearing it with my Salsana shoes, which I really like. I actually haven't even worn this dress yet, except in this video. So I've got to get it out, but I think it's on freight right now, so it'll be over here soon. Yeah, it's really cute. I like it. Oh my god, I'm so shiny. I think I blotted my face at some point in this video, so hopefully that stops soon. So this next one it's kind of like a pool cover up. So I'm wearing it over this little seamless bodysuit that I purchased on Revolve, which is really good to wear under things that are a little bit sheer. I also have it in nude and I think they have it all the time, but it was pretty affordable and I actually use it a lot because this dress by Rat and Boa I think it's actually supposed to be kind of a poolside or beach cover up almost, because it is so see-through. You could only wear it over something that was obviously a swimsuit, something like that, unless you wore a little slip underneath like what I'm doing here. I think what I like about this is it's very extra. It has that, oh, my husband's a billionaire, I'm just waiting for him to die laying by the pool, and using his black Amex. But yeah, the fabric is so luxe and soft, and it's a silk, so it drapes over the body perfectly and feels so smooth and luxurious. This little outfit is super cute. It's by Privacy Please, and I actually think it's a little bit too tight on me in the crotch area. It's like too low. I couldn't get it high enough over my thighs, but I find it pretty flattering, even though I think that I could get it altered a little bit, or if I lost a bit of weight, it would fit me more properly on my thighs. As you can see, it's like the crotch is a bit low and kind of stretched out. But otherwise I think it's really cute, and I would love to put like a big thick black belt around the waist. It's very flattering on the bum, and yeah, I really like it. It has that ruching material on the back, so it's pretty flexible, I think, on different size boobs. It fits my boobs great. I really like it. It does look a bit odd in the crotch like I was saying, but you know, I'll wear it anyway. And that's I was just trying to show you guys it has that gel stuff so it doesn't slip too much. I like it. This is like business, but I'm confused, so it's like I'm trying to show that I'm businessy, but I'm clearly going for drinks. Really cute. And I'm just wearing with my Forever 21 shoes that I wear all the time. This dress, I kind of love it from the back, but I don't like it from the front. It's by this brand NBD, which is no big deal, I think. And it's again from Revolve. I think they gifted me this one. I honestly don't know when I will wear it, but hopefully I have a chance here in LA. The back is so pretty, and it's this weird fabric. I should have come up close to the camera, but I didn't. It has little sequins all in it, and it gives it that wet look shine. Maybe if I go to Vegas, I'd wear something like this. But yeah, I don't really like dresses that often that are above my knee because my knees are so knobbly. They're like, look like koalas, you know? So, sorry, I thought that I saw like a rip on it, so. But I really like the color. I love that wet look. It does, you know, I do have that issue where I feel like because my legs are a little bit thicker, I prefer pencil skirts on my body shape. But yeah, I still like it. This dress is easily my favorite. So this is Rococo Sand, this new label that is on Revolve now. So I saw it there and I was in love with it. It's like this glittery bohemian, beautiful floral dress. I've already worn this before. You would have seen it on my Instagram if you follow me on Instagram, guys. It's so pretty. They have so many pretty styles, but they are an investment. So I'm gonna wear this heaps to, you know, there's a wedding I'm going to in Italy that I'll probably wear it to, and it's quite loose, so you can wear it like chill like it was before. Or I've got this sparkly belt, which is also from Revolve. I think this is Fraser Sterling, and it's like a gold tone with crystals in it. It's so cute. I love cinching it actually. And it has these tassels, which honestly, since I wore it, I realized how annoying they are, but they look cute. Go on the Instagram of this brand because they have the most beautiful dresses. My friend Bianca's pregnant and I thought this would be the perfect baby shower dress for her, but we have to check if it fits over her pregnant belly. But yeah, I love the colors. I love it. And it's pretty comfy to wear too. This is such a sexy little dress. Breckenridge is one of my favorite Australian labels, and I love this one with the unique leopard print with that kind of stripe pattern almost. It has a little cowl neck on the top and it kind of flares slightly at the bottom, so it's really flattering. I love this with a blazer or a leather jacket. Any shoes, you can wear it with sandals, I could wear it with heels. It is just so sexy and it's a silk material, so it just drapes over the bod so nicely. Check it out, I love it. I'm really surprised. Normally they don't cater for like small to mid-sized boobs. They only cater for tiny boobs. In my opinion, with even other Breckenridge dresses, my boobs don't even fit and it's not like I've got giant jugs. But anyways, it looks good. I'm really happy with this one. I like the length of it because it's flared a little bit. I feel like that looks better than like a tight skirt on me. Having a little bit bend and snap works every time. Now, this purple cami is by a brand called Cami NYC, which you can get on Revolve. And I've had my eye on their camis for many years, but I never really went to buy one because they're on the more expensive side, I feel. And because I have never found a cami that I really loved, I was sort of a bit worried about getting it. But I'm glad I did because I love the deeper V-neck of this. And it's actually a little bit tapered at the waist, so it's a lot better than any other camisole I've had before, which is straight up and down and just is not flattering on me. So regardless, I tucked this one into an older skirt that I have, and I love the finish, the texture of the silk with the leather. I really like it, and this skirt is just so flattering. I also bought it on Revolve. Guys, pretty much everything in my wardrobe is either an independent Aussie label or Revolve, because I just find their style is exactly right for me. I've been shopping on there since like 2013. Camis are pretty versatile. I can wear them with a bunch of things and I should get some good wear out of this. Okay guys, that's it from me. Don't forget to check out the links below because I'm going to put in the websites where I'm selling my pre-loved designer items and my pre-loved clothing and accessories. Hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!